So they got a pile driver thing over there. They're busting up concrete at the plant. 7:30 this morning. So we're gonna go down to Matanzas. So there's a school of white pelicans sitting on a little sandbar. We're heading south to Matanzas. There's more white pelicans. We're here, Matanzas. There's the fort. That's the visitor center where they take the tours over there. I don't know if the tours are even running. So I got the anchor down. Got my little bridle set up. Anchor chain is super rusty. So, oh, by the way, here's the new hatch. Painted and sealed. No more leaking. During the hurricane we didn't have any leaking, so this is where we're going to anchor for the night. There's the fort. There's another trawler over there anchored. We're in about 15 foot of water here. There's a little beach over there, and off in the distance over there is Matanzas Inlet, the bridge. Lots of sandy beaches here. I think when the water turns and starts coming in, right now it's going out, we'll do a little dive and see what the water clarity's like. Michelle's already started fishing. What are you hoping to catch?
Redfish.
Redfish. There's Stella watching the fishing and the dinghy. Okay, fishing 101. When you're fishing, you don't want your dog swimming around you. That's not good. So, and then I got more mullet over there in a bucket, but we'll put them in the freezer, use them for cut bait. Now we got the grill fired up. Up top, cook a couple steaks. Nice sunset. Dinghy's behind us. That's the fort, Matanzas, and that's the visitor center. So not a great day fishing, but nice day. Nice to be away from the marina. Staying on the hook.